James Shapiro. What I really need to know is that if the Dark Reaper kit will look alright with solid paint, or if I need to add skulls to convert the heads. That's an interesting one. I don't mind the Dark Reaper skulls. I mean, yeah, that's fine. I think maybe because no, they have. I don't feel like going all the way to the articles. The Dark Reapers, I like. I mean, people are making fun of them, but they don't. It doesn't bother me. The aesthetic is still like the Rogue Trader era. It's similar to that. I'm fine with that. They don't have to look like real skulls because it's not the aesthetic, right? The realistic looking skull helmets, save that for Chaos, right? That kind of aesthetic fits Chaos models better than it would fit Eldar. A more stylized skull, sure, but again, it's style. Some people dig style, some people don't. So, you can't make everybody happy in regards to making a skull face on a guy because, either you end up with something that looks, anatomically correct, is very stylized, it looks like the Punisher, or it could look like fucking Hello Kitty or, Jack Skeleton or, what I mean? Like, there's all different ways that a skull can be done. There's not one way to do it, but going with a scary, evil looking skull face, that feels more like a Chaos thing. That kind of aesthetic suits Chaos more than it suits Eldar. Eldar, it's more of a stylized, it's a representation, right? It's not an actual skull face. It's just representing the aspect of Kane that they portray, right? So no, I don't know. I honestly don't know what the beef is with the whole Dark Reaper skull thing. No, it's silly to me.